Yeah. Good evening.
Okay. Very, very good evening. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thanks for your concern and welcome to
All
the
right.
session. I'm very delighted
Okay.
and excited to have this
Mm,
session with you. Thank you so much for joining me. So tell me,
It's okay.
uh,
Okay. Actually, it's my pleasure because the moment you texted me on WhatsApp, at that moment I was about to take a leave from my office. Now I'm just all set to take this session.
okay, nice. So tell me, how about you? How are you doing today?
Actually, I cannot express anything in my words. I'm in high spirits, no doubt. And how about you? Are you all right?
Yeah, everything is all right in my side. So before dive into the session, would you mind introducing yourself?
Sure, why not? In fact, because this is the first question which is often asked by the people that would you like to let me know something about yourself? So why not? In fact, my name is Vipin. Now I'm just talking to you from New Delhi, India. And in these days, I've been pursuing BA, Bachelor of Arts from Delhi University. Side by side, I'm also doing a job, but also enhancing my communication skills, which is crucial for me. And I would say that this is all about myself. Now, actually, it's your turn, and you are supposed to share something about yourself.
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, that my name is Kiran Saw. I'm basically from Bihar, but living in West Bengal. I raised and brought up
Okay.
in West Bengal. And if I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors, and currently I'm a homemaker and mother to two kids. So that's all about me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the another question which I'm gonna ask you, what do you do in your spare time? What do you do in your free time?
Yeah, in my free time, I would love to do like a reading, cooking, and interact new people. And these days,
Okay.
I'm more into learning English language. So this kind of things I do in my free time. And yeah, this is my hobby, you can say.
Okay, that's all right, by the way, fantastic.
Yeah,
And I would say that you have already shared more and more about your qualities, like what do you do in your free time more and more. Because
yeah,
in my opinion, that you must not be doing two and three things. Because if I would say about myself, in my free time, I just try to read book and I just try to have interaction with different people to enhance my communication skills. And if I just get more and more time, so I just try to go to park to play cricket with my friends. So this is all about my leisure time, which I do.
yeah. Yeah, I also like it is my in my mood. Okay, whenever I get free time, so sometime I love to cook. So it is in my mood. So
Okay, that's all
basically,
right.
these days I'm not that much into cooking and reading little bit, but interact new people and talking to them, sharing knowledge. These kind of things I'm doing these days.
Mm, that's fantastic, by the way. And as you have already shared something about your reading, so may I know that more things and what kind of content do you prefer to read more and more? Because as far as I know, that reading is a good habit. Because if you are gonna read anything, it means that you are gonna enhance and boost your knowledge and enhance your knowledge and information related of anything. So, do you read some books or not?
Yeah, actually, I started my journey for reading of my kids' book. Okay, so this is going on, but just 2 days back, I bought some books. So I started for reading those kind of book. Just I started. I'm not that much. Just one or two page. I have read that book.
Okay, all right. Suppose that if I let you know that you are supposed to share something about any kind of book which is essential and which is very very productive to learn to get something. So would you like to suggest and make a suggestion to me that you must read this book?
Actually, I don't have much idea about books because I have started my journey of my kids' book.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
all
easy to
right.
understand. So I don't have much idea about books. Recently, just my husband on Sunday, my husband bought that book, and I started just one page. And the name of that book is "Ego is Enemy." So
Okay,
yeah, so
ego
that
your enemy.
yeah. So that book I just read one page, not more than. So yeah, I
Okay.
will inculcate. Yeah, I'm trying to inculcate in my mind that I should learn. I should read at least one page every single day, so that I can get knowledge more and more.
Okay, that's all right. Because if I would say about you that it's your initial level
Yeah,
which you have started reading books, that's all right. Okay,
yeah.
so and apart from that, would you like to ask me any questions? Because if I'd say about myself, I'm a book, big ocean of knowledge. I've got a lot of questions to ask you right now, but I don't know, no, I don't know from where I should start asking.
Mm. Yeah, I watch. Do you have YouTube channel?
Yes, exactly. Because
Yeah.
actually, a couple of years ago, and I was not, consistent for my YouTube channel. When I came to know with the passage of time, if I just wanna enhance my English ASAP, so that is why I'm supposed to work on it. So once in a blue moon, I just try to upload some conversation videos and different kinds of content like short videos and long videos. So this is what I've been doing for this.
So every single day you don't upload video?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometime. Okay,
Yes.
great.
Because in these days I do not have adequate and sufficient time.
Yeah, yeah. As you mentioned that you are a working person and simultaneously you are doing your study. I think, no,
Yes.
MBA.
No, actually in these days I've been pursuing BA. It's a
Yeah,
Bachelor of
BA.
Arts from
So
Delhi University.
yeah, yeah.
Yes,
So
and
that's
I'm in
why
I'm in
you
second year.
okay. So that's why you don't have time, right? Because two things already you have been working, and other things
Exactly.
like uploading video, it's take a lot of
Mm,
time. So yeah, really, it is a little bit hectic for you, right?
exactly. Okay, and basically, how about you? Because if I'd say about your English, and your English is quite well, no doubt, because you have been talking to me for some minutes. It has been completed, by the way. So, what are the ways? How do you practice? Because if I speak honestly about this situation, English has got 4 plus. As you know, it's speaking, listening, writing, etc. So, which is your one of the most favorite pillar and way of learning?
Yeah, favorite pillar if I talk, so speaking and listening. These are things
Okay.
I focus more, and I do as a homemaker. I don't have much time, so sometime whenever I get time, so I do reading practice, and if I talk my writing practice, so when I do taxi, so that time messaging, so that time I write something. Otherwise, apart from this, I do not write anything because
Okay, so
it
basically,
takes time a lot, right? So that is why.
exactly, no doubt, because in these days nobody has got more and more time, because it's all about your priority. And if
Yeah,
you have got priority for something, so definitely you would like to make a time. Otherwise, there are a lot of excuses are
yeah,
meant to be.
yeah. Completely agree with you. If you have fire in your belly, so definitely you will do for your passion, right?
Mm,
Yeah, agree with
exactly.
you. So I
Okay.
think,
And how about
yeah,
okay, so
please
basically, how
continue.
about your English? How about your English journey? Did you join any institute, any coaching, or are you just learning online or offline? What your journey has been behind of it?
Actually, after getting married, I left my study for 10 years. And then after 2025, I started my journey for English, right?
Okay.
So if I talk my taking class, so I didn't take any class, coaching and tutor. I just learned English from YouTube. So it's going on. And if I talk my speaking practice, so I learned English through the structure basis, because I am a Hindi background student, so
Hmm.
that's why it was very difficult for me when I started my journey for speaking and English too, because my English was totally very pathetic. My English was, so that time it
Yes.
was very difficult. I was not able to write proper in a proper way. I was not able to write, but now
Hmm.
I'm able to write. Means whenever I need to any message to someone, so that time I can easily message to anyone. Okay, and now it would be easy for me, but earlier it was very difficult. And for speaking, I started my journey on audio call. Firstly, I install an application for audio call, and there I sticked for 6 months, and I
Okay.
practiced.
So
Yeah.
actually, would you mind to share that application name? Like what application you have been using in these days to enhance to get some opportunities and to have a interaction with different people. So may I know that what application is being used by you?
Yeah, I used Jostock application that helped me to open up my mouth, and so that now I'm able to speak. Actually,
Okay.
audio call just for
And
opening up our mouth. There is no that much improvement. If you want to
okay.
build your confidence, so according to me, you have to face camera and you have to face stranger, so
Right.
that you can
Okay.
build
And
your
one more
confidence.
actually because I just want to say something and how about your English journey, because whenever if I'm gonna ask this question to anyone and for how long you have been learning English, they just try to respond me, they just try to reply me in a different way. So by the way, you gotta speak truth that for how long you have been learning English. Some people, they are gonna say that it has been completed 4 months, 5 months, one year. And how about your journey?
Yeah, my journey, it's been 1 year for speaking.
Okay.
And if I talk my YouTube journey, so it's been 6 months. It's going on.
6 months.
Yeah, yeah.
And basically, what are the reasons behind of it, that why did you make a decision to yourself that at least I'm supposed to create my own YouTube channel? I know, as far as I know, that it takes more and more time because nowadays nobody has got sufficient time to give to anything.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, I was not into English learning. Okay, something happened with me, and I was devastated. I was shattered. So I just wanted to change my mind, so that I watched some sentences related, like Kanchan Kesari videos, sentence wise. So that things I used to watch, and slowly and gradually, just I turn into like a conversational video. I switch on watching conversational
Mm.
video, and then after, like one day I heard from school that due to this language my children were struggling at school. So that time I decided to myself to learn this language. Earlier I was just uh, means I didn't have any intention to learn this language. I just watch. I used to watch sentences and conversational video, just time pass. Not, I didn't have any
Okay, that's all
expectation.
right. Okay, that's all right, by the way, because as far as I know about this conversation, and it has been the greatest, I would
Yeah.
say, actually, and I would like to join later on because it
Hello.
was such a wonderful interaction with you. Okay,
Okay. Bye. Hello.
all right, have a nice day.
Okay. Nice. Bye. जी